Guys, we are unboxing OnePlus 6 today, and this is the basic 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage variant, and it's black mirror, and it is retailing around 34,999 in India, and I got 1500 discount on SBI card. And let's now open it up. And yeah, this is OnePlus 6. Let me pull it off. And the design is really cool. And let's first see what are the other accessories along with the phone. So we have got the usual dash charger, 5 volt and 4 ampere output, and this is type C USB connector. And then we have the black case cover and the SIM ejection tool and the usual safety manuals. And let's talk about the phone and let's look at it. Let me just pull it off. It comes with 3.5 mm audio jack, a type C port and speaker grills, and on the left we have a volume button, dual nano SIM port. So let's just eject it. So this is the nano SIM dual nano SIM tray, and there is no slot for memory card. And on the right we have alert slider and power unlocking button, and this comes with a pre-applied screen guard. And the back we have a fingerprint scanner and dual primary camera, so 20 MP and 16 MP, and front facing camera is 16 MP. And this comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And let's power on the device. It's going to take some time. Let's just talk about the battery. So battery is 3300 milliamp hour, and Oxygen OS based on Android 8.1 is present, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor is there. And let's set it up quickly. So guys, I'm done setting up the phone, and as you can see it, and I have installed the latest update. And yeah, this is, and let's check its features. About phone. So as I said, Android version is 8.1.0 Oreo, and storage 64 GB, 6 GB RAM, and Oxygen OS version is 5.1.9, the latest updates. And let's check his face unlocking. Yeah, so pretty responsive it is. And let's check fingerprint unlocking. Yeah, the phone is pretty responsive. So this is OnePlus 6, guys. That's it. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thank you.